Are you searching for FinOps jobs and you don't know where to find them? We have created a website just for that. We'll show you how to search and find jobs, create alerts, and everything you need to find the right FinOps job for you. We are going to show how to search a job in the FinOps Weekly Job Portal. So it's fairly easy, as you will see. For example, you go to the main page and you can search for the categories. Most of our jobs are in the FinOps category and they can be aggregated into multiple categories. So I'm going to select FinOps and automatically I'll be redirected to the FinOps. So you can see here even Amazon jobs, etc. And you can fully see the type of job and the category it is, if the salary range is specified and the company is requesting it, along with the location. Here, when you click the job, you will have the job description with all the relevant information and you can request the job. So it'll bring you to the original link or email request. So if you go here to access job, it will go to the LinkedIn page, which is where the original job was obtained. Now we are going to show you how the search works. I'm going to directly in the homepage go to search, and here we have multiple filters, so we can search for the different categories we have available. More of these will be added in the future, but these are the ones that have jobs. So we are going to filter for FinOps, as most of them are there. Then on the yearly salary range, so for example, you can filter for not specified, so most of our jobs still not have a salary range, but if we want to, for example, one of the highest paid, and you can find the FinOps lead at Montefiore Health Systems, and you can request it. So the seniority, the same, in this case the lead, and then if we remove that, we are only seeing lead jobs. And then if we can search on remote jobs, and as you can see here as a lead, and then we remove, and then seniority is empty, and we have all the remote jobs and all of that. As well, we can see the job type, so full-time as well, or contract. In this case, we have a couple contracted jobs in remote, so that's good for the freelance people. And then of course you can find the company name, so confidential, and you will see it here. These are the published dates and the salary as well. So you can also save this search, which is like you, for example, I think it was contract remote jobs, and you can save it, and you will receive an email notifications when a new listing matching the list. And that's all on the search. You can always find for different locations. For example, let's say in Madrid there is nothing in Madrid, but then if I can find on Lisbon, there is nothing on this filtering. But if I clear the filters and I create your modality, then you can see here. If we go to Madrid metropolitan area, we have one from Monterello. Let's say if we have something in New York. So you can filter by location, you can filter by engineer, and you have a lot. So this is how the search works. It's pretty advanced. We'll be adding more. The good thing is that you can save the search as well. You can save it as favorites. You can do pretty much everything. So I hope that's useful as well.